Ekta Mall symbolizes unity in diversity, a hallmark of Indian culture. It signifies unity in handloom and handicrafts diversity at one place, where one can see and experience rich traditions and cultures of various Indian states. For an elegant and relaxing shopping experience embedded in vitality and diversity of India's traditional textiles and artisanal handicrafts, Ekta Mall awaits you at the Statue of Unity. Experience a vibrant India here. Experience an atmosphere combining modern sensibilities with rich culture, heritage, and the vibrancies of Indian culture. Pamper yourself in a plush environment. Gratify yourself to the contentment of your heart. Unearth a place that stands as a symbol of unity and national integration. Experience the joy of shopping in a mall spread over in an area of 35,000 square feet, covering 2 floors and 20 emporia. Uncover large variety of handicrafts, handloom fabrics, antiques and artifacts of India brought to the mall from different parts of India. Mesmerize yourself with unique crafts and styles of Garvi from Gujarat, MRIGNAYANEE from Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthali from Rajasthan, Gangotri from Uttar Pradesh, KAIRALI from Kerala, Kaveri from Karnataka, Pumpuhar from Tamil Nadu, Urvashri from Northeast states. Ekta Mall awaits you at the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue.